In this video, we are going to see that if we want to see the history of all the apps you've downloaded from Android Google Play Store, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, when you head over to the Google Play Store, on our right here, we see this profile icon. Click on that, and from here we choose the second option that says something like manage apps and devices. Click on that, and from here we have two menus. We will click on manage, and from here you will see the list of all the apps that is available on your device. So whether you want to delete it, whether you want to manage it however you like, you can select all the apps and do it in bulk. But let's say that we want to see the apps that we have not installed and we have searched for it or we have worked on it. So we just select not installed. So this will show you the list of all the applications that is not available right now, but you have downloaded it in the past. So if you want to, let's say, reinstall it, this is how you can find it. You just stick it and you click on install and it will immediately install it for you. And you can also do it in bulk for many other apps. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.